When most people hear the name Jimi Hendrix, they probably think of amazing songs like Purple Haze or Voodoo Child's Slight Return, and those are incredible songs. But I wanted to play one of my personal favorite and underrated Hendrix tunes, Angel. And this has been one of my favorite songs for as long as I can remember. And everything about it, the chord progression, the overall vibe of the song is just so gorgeous. It's really hard to nail the feel of this song too, but it's just so great. And I really wanted to play it for you. And I hope you enjoy. So sit back and relax, and here we go.
Angel came down from heaven yesterday. She stayed with me just long enough to rescue me. And she told me a story yesterday about the sweet love between the moon and the deep blue sea. And then she spread her wings high over me. She said she's gonna come back tomorrow. And I said, fly on, my sweet angel. Fly on through the sky. Fly on, my sweet angel. Tomorrow I'm gonna be by your side. Sure enough, this morning came unto me. Silver winged silhouette against a child's sunrise. And my angel, she said unto me, today is a day for you to rise. Take my hand, you're gonna be my man, we're gonna rise. And then she took me high over yonder. And I said, fly on, my sweet angel. Fly on through the sky. Fly on
enjoyed my version of Angel by Jimi Hendrix, and in my opinion, this song is not talked about nearly enough given how beautiful it is. And it's a perfect lesson in really feeling the groove, laying in the pocket, laying behind the beat. And it's more challenging than you might think, actually, to play this song. So I challenge each of you Hendrix fans out there to actually give this song a try, because it's an incredible lesson in patience and beauty. And I would love for you to leave a comment down below of what your most favorite beautiful Hendrix song is, and I'll see you around.